Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to create a salary slip in Microsoft Excel easily. This method is super simple and works great for small businesses, HR teams, or anyone managing payroll manually. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Excel and create a new spreadsheet. Start by typing in all the necessary information about your employee, things like their name, position, pay period, and employee ID if you're tracking multiple people. Next, fill in the details for their earnings and deductions. In one column, list all the types of earnings, like basic salary, bonuses, and allowances. In another section, add the deductions, such as tax, insurance, or any other withheld amounts. After filling out both sections, you'll want to calculate the total earnings and total deductions. You can do this by using the sum formula. For example, if your earnings are listed in cells B5 through B10, type equals sum of B5 colon B10 in the cell below to get the total. Do the same for your deductions. Now for the fun part, calculating the net pay. This is just your total earnings minus your total deductions. In the cell where you want the net pay to appear, type equals B17 minus D17, or adjust the cell references to match your totals. Then press Enter. Excel will automatically calculate and display the employee's net pay. You can copy this formula down for multiple employees or tweak it depending on your setup. And that's it. You've just created a simple payroll calculator in Excel. This can save you tons of time and reduce manual calculation errors. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides, and let me know in the comments what other Excel tutorials you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.